Alright guys, I said I'd make you practice along video for Silent Night. Now, what I'll do is I'll hit into notes straight away. Just keep in mind the things we've talked about in lessons. And for anybody who's watching this who hasn't been in lessons, the sheet is available to download below this video. Basically, there's 3 chords you need: an A chord, a D chord, and an E chord. The rhythm, just for this example, I'm going to do all downs. The purpose of this video is so that you can have a go playing along with it. And at times I'll be singing the words, at other times I'll be prompting for going into the next chord, just to give you a bit of a heads up. And if there's any part that you feel like you may have dropped out on a line, maybe going to the D or something like that, just take the line out on its own, loop it, loop it, loop it, and then try back with the video again. Now, I know I've talked ahead of this one, so when you go back and practice with it again and again and again, just look at whatever time the play along starts, which should be in the next like 20 seconds once I stop talking. So, hope you like the Christmas jumper as well. I found it last week. So, here we go. It's kind of hard playing with a Rudolph jumper, I have to admit, but I will try. All right, so here we go. So, I'm going to give you the intro, and what I'm going to do is the following. I'm going to go, and this will be the exact same intro in the concert too. 1, 2, 3. Silent night, 2, 3. Holy night, change to E. All is come back to A. All is bright, now D. Round yon fell 2 and 8. Tuner and child, back to D. Holy and back to A. So tender and mild, here comes E. Sleeping 1, 2 and A. P, stay on A. A, now E. 1, 2, 3 and A. And this is where you'll stop. I'm going to go again, and I'll play this and get your A ready again, and we'll go all over again with different words. 2, 3. Silent night, holy night, change to E. Shepherds quake, back to A. At the sight, change to D. Glory streams onto A. Heaven afar, back to D. Heavenly hosts, back to A. Sing hallelujah, here comes the E. Christ the Savior, onto A. Born, stay on A. A, 2, now E. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that'll be the end. And make sure you hold on to your card. Let it ring out. Bingo, there we go. Alright, so that was the playthrough for Silent Night. That's the second I've done it now. Keep an eye on your fingers as well that you're pressing. And of course, you can work on your A to D change if that's the one to work on, or A to E. It will be one or the other generally with players for this song. If you have any comments or any questions you want to ask, guys, post a comment below, or you can get me by email, or for anybody who I teach, your moms or dads can contact me. Alright, anybody else, post a comment below too, and you get me by email. Alright, maybe contact me yourself instead of your moms and dads getting in touch. Alright, we'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching.